Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you 5 different steps. The first one is logo generator. So I am here on Logopony and you need to sign up first and then you need to enter your company name. So I am just typing the channel name here, that is Cyber Learning, and then click on generate logos. Here you need to choose some things like styles, colors. So let's go with this second one. And now here you need to choose the style. You can choose 5 styles. So you can also choose the color kit here. You can choose different colors, and once you are done, click on continue. Now here again enter the company name and then click on create my logo. So it will start generating some logos. So now here it generates the logo with the style and color you choose. So in this way you can generate logo with AI help. The next part is to generate AI image. So for that I am just typing for canva.com and here you need to sign in. So sign in with your Google account. After the initial sign up, it will open up like this. You can go with blank here. Okay, so now we are here on this page. Here you see this option apps, click on it. Search for AI image generator and it will open up like this. Here is the third app, click on it and now click on open. Now in the text box you will give scenario and it will create an image. So let's search for a girl playing with the dog. And once you finish typing here, then click on generate image and it will start generating your images. It will take few seconds. And now as you see, the images are generated. So you can drag it and add it to your page here. So in this way you can generate AI image in canva.com. Now let's move to generate AI voice. So for this, go to apps and search for AI voice. And here you will see the second option, that is voiceover. Click on it and now go to open. So it will take few seconds to open. Okay, so now it is open. You can type your script here. For an example, how you can create a fake image by typing words. Now here you can also choose speakers. Whether you want it in male voice or female voice, you can choose it from here. And also you can choose style. You want conversation, narration or dictation. And then click on generate audio. So in few seconds it will generate audio.
How you can create a fake image by typing words.
Let's change the style from conversation to narration. Now again click on generate audio.
How you can create a fake image by typing words.
So in this way you can generate AI voice in canva.com. Let's move to the next step, which is generate AI music. So for this I am here on Soundraw. You will get different type of beats here, that is fast, normal or slow. So you can select and unselect which you don't want. Okay, so let's go with beats here. Now click on this play button. It will take few seconds to play. Okay, so now it's playing. You can change its speed from here. You can totally customize this music, like in the beginning, in the middle and also at the end. If you click here, the beats will be changed from very high to medium to low or anything else. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye.